Sound of a rocket launching. Narrator, ever wondered if those rocket-fast money-saving apps actually work? Today, we're putting Rocket Money to the test. Is it a financial superhero or just a flashy facade? Let's find out. Hook. Imagine a world where your bills shrink, your credit score soars, and your finances finally feel under control. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly what Rocket Money promises. But is it too good to be true? Section 1. What is Rocket Money? Visuals, Rocket Money logo, screenshots of the app's interface. Narrator, Rocket Money is a personal finance app that claims to help you save money on bills, negotiate debts, and improve your credit score. It works by connecting to your bank accounts and analyzing your spending habits. From there, it suggests ways to save money, such as finding cheaper alternatives to your current services or negotiating better deals. Section 2. Key features and benefits. Visuals, screenshots of different features, graphs showing savings. Narrator, Rocket Money offers a range of features designed to make your financial life easier. Let's take a closer look at some of the key benefits. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money helps you negotiate lower rates on your bills, including credit cards, insurance, and subscription services. Debt management. The app provides tools to help you manage your debt, such as creating a debt repayment plan and tracking your progress. Credit monitoring. Rocket Money monitors your credit score and alerts you to any changes. Spending analysis. The app analyzes your spending habits and provides insights into where your money is going. Budgeting. Rocket Money offers budgeting tools to help you track your income and expenses. Section 3. User experience and interface. Visuals, user interface walkthrough, testimonials. Narrator, the user experience is a crucial factor when choosing a financial app. Rocket Money has a clean and intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. The app is also available on both iOS and Android, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Section 4. Success stories and testimonials. Visuals, testimonials from users, before and after financial comparisons. Narrator, don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some real users who have had success with Rocket Money. Insert testimonials from satisfied users. Section 5. Potential drawbacks and limitations. Visuals, screenshots of potential issues, cautionary statements. Narrator, while Rocket Money offers many benefits, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported issues with the app's bill negotiation feature, and it's important to note that the success of negotiations can vary depending on your individual circumstances. Additionally, Rocket Money relies on your accurate financial data. If you're not diligent about updating your information, the app may not provide accurate recommendations. Section 6. Is Rocket Money worth it? Visuals, pros and cons list, final verdict. Narrator, so, is Rocket Money worth it? The answer depends on your individual financial goals and needs. If you're looking for a tool to help you save money, manage your debt, and improve your credit score, Rocket Money can be a valuable asset. However, it's important to approach the app with realistic expectations and be prepared to put in the effort to make the most of its features. Outro. Sound of a rocket landing. Narrator, there you have it. Rocket Money is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. Whether you're looking to negotiate bills, manage debt, or improve your credit score, this app offers a range of features to help you achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.